It's time for another epic showdown where two stocks from different sectors go head-to-head in a battle to see which one is the true champion. But before we start, remember, this is not financial advice. These videos are for entertainment purposes only, so put on your thinking caps and let the facts speak. In today's showdown, we have two stocks that have been making waves in the market. On one corner, we have RXRX, the innovative and fast-growing biotechnology company. And on the other corner, we have TM, the multinational technology giant. Both stocks have shown impressive performances recently, leaving investors with a tough decision on their hands. Which one should you choose? Well, buckle up because we're about to find out. Let's start with a quick overview of each stock. RXRX is a clinical stage biotechnology company focused on developing transformative therapies for rare disorders. They have a strong pipeline of gene therapy and gene editing product candidates with the potential to address unmet needs in various disease areas. RXRX has seen its stock price soar in the last year, generating an impressive return of 162.98%. Their latest quarterly report showed a revenue growth of 40.3% and a net income growth of 12.5%. Investors are excited about their upcoming catalysts, such as the NDA decision for Hemgenix in Q4 2023 and the initiation of pivotal trials for hemophilia B and sickle cell disease. TEM, on the other hand, is a multinational technology company that provides hardware, software, and services for mobile and online applications. With a broad portfolio of products and services, they cater to a vast global customer base. TEM's stock price has also seen significant growth in the last year, delivering a return of 91.71%. Their latest quarterly report revealed a revenue growth of 25.6% and a net income growth of 36.1%. Investors are optimistic about their future prospects as they continue to invest in research and development and expand their global presence. Now that we know more about these two powerhouses, it's time to put them in the ring and let the facts speak. The first round is all about valuation. We'll be looking at key ratios such as P to E, P to S, and P to cash flow to get a clear picture of which stock offers better value. For RXRX, their trailing P to E ratio is 46.44, while their forward P to E ratio is 24.64. In comparison, TM has a trailing P to E ratio of 28.44 and a forward P to E ratio of 22.64. When it comes to P to S, RXRX has a value of 10.13, while TM stands at 7.24. Lastly, for P to cash flow, RX is at 13.38 and TEM is at 20.45. Considering these ratios, it seems that TM might have a slight edge over RXRX when it comes to valuation. However, it's important to note that RXRX operates in the biotechnology sector, which often has higher valuation multiples due to the high risk and potential for high returns. Moving on to the second round, we'll be evaluating the company's financial health and profitability. It's essential to understand the underlying strength and sustainability of their businesses. Key metrics here include debt to equity, return on equity, and net profit margin. RXRX has a debt-to-equity ratio of 1.12, indicating a relatively low level of financial leverage. In contrast, TEM has a debt-to-equity ratio of 1.59, suggesting a higher level of leverage. Regarding return on equity, RX is at 52.12%, while TM is at 22.3%. This means that RXRX is more efficient at utilizing shareholder investments to generate profits. When it comes to net profit margin, RX is at 13.28, while TM is at 9.52. This indicates that RXRX has a higher percentage of profit after accounting for all expenses. Overall, both companies demonstrate good financial health and profitability, but RXRX seems to have a slight advantage. In the final round, we'll consider the future growth prospects and market position of these companies. We'll analyze their revenue and earnings growth rates, as well as their potential for innovation and expansion. RXRX has shown an exceptional revenue growth rate of 40.3%, far exceeding TEM's growth rate of 25.6%. Additionally, their earnings growth rate of 12.5% is impressive compared to TEM's 36.1%. Looking ahead, both companies have significant growth opportunities. RXRX is expanding its gene therapy and gene editing portfolio into new therapeutic areas such as ophthalmology and cardiology. TEM, on the other hand, is investing in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and cybersecurity, which are expected to drive future growth. So the big question is, based on these three rounds, which stock comes out on top? While both RXRX and TEM have demonstrated impressive performances, there can only be one winner in this showdown. And based on the numbers, that title goes to... Wait, before you place your bets, remember that this is just a simplified analysis for entertainment purposes. The stock market is unpredictable and influenced by various factors. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Stay tuned for more epic showdowns, and in the meantime, let us know in the comments which stock you would have chosen. Until next time, happy investing and good luck in the market.